I was visiting my lifelong friend Darren just a few days ago, and he was cooking a chicken in an unusual way. He called it a swinging chicken, or I've seen it's called coffee can chicken. And you poke some holes in the bottom here in the coffee can, have a little wire, and we'll put it on there, and we're going to put 13 coals in there, and we've wrapped this chicken nice and tight, and it's going to take about 3 hours to cook, and it's supposed to be fall off the bone. Darren called that like fine dining in Saskatchewan, and who isn't about that for sure? So we're going to give this a try. We're going to get the coals going, and we'll get the chicken in here and see how this goes. Stay tuned. So here we are. We got the chicken. It's about a 3-pound chicken, all wrapped up, spiced up, rubbed up with olive oil. The coals look perfect. They look just awesome, nice and gray. So we're going to slide this in here, and we're going to come back in 3 hours, and this thing should be fall off the bone tender. Again, my friend Darren inspired me to cook a chicken this way. I've seen his chicken yesterday, and see how this turns out. We'll come back in 3 hours and open this sucker up. So it's been about 3 hours, so let's get this chicken out of this can and into the kitchen and see how awesome it looks. I was so excited to get this chicken open, I forgot to record it. But let me tell you, it was an awesome chicken. It was tender, it was fall off the bone. I definitely would be doing chicken like this again. Stay tuned, because the journey continues.